sparks all across the room. You feel their eyes all over you like cheap perfume. You're beautiful, but misunderstood. So why you tryna be just like the neighborhood? I can see it, I know what you're feeling. So let me
mampir di tempat wisata Kota Langsa ya sahabat.
I'm a little crazy.